Hi, this is my Royal Aquafresh water purifier that I bought from Flipkart almost a year ago. And it's working smooth and fine, but I have a problem with this. See, I have a room in my first floor, but I don't have a water connection there. So I wanted to run a connection from this water purifier directly to the top floor of my room. So I came up with this idea. I installed a 12-volt diaphragm water pump on the top of it. Using the drillers, I made the hole and I run the auro tubing down by drilling two holes in the water purifier, and I uh, done the auro tubing down to the entire water tank, to the below of the water tank. So this is the actual setup, and I have connected them to my 12-volt diaphragm pump. So as you can see from the transparent shield that it is running to the diaphragm pump, and this pump is a 12-volt nominal pump in which it has 3.5 5 liter per minute and 125 psi of power. So this is really good for suction, but also ensure that I have made zip ties and also taped them well in order to get and build that pressure nicely around this. So that it also comes with the adapter. It ships with the adapter by default, so you don't need to buy separately. You just connect it to the power source and switch it on. The adapter turns on and the motor starts running as smooth as possible, and it pumps all the water to the top of the line. So that's the outlet, and it goes straight to my first floor. So from the first floor, as you can see, I have installed this Ionics water tank. This is around like 600 to 700 rupees, and you can see the water flow that is flowing very beautifully and very powerful. And this tank is also a food grade tank, and the entire oro tubing and everything in this setup is food grade, so that you don't get this plastic pollution. You can also note how the flow is there due to the gravity of this 18-liter tank. So overall, this setup has saved me on purchase